So today I'm going to do a niqab tutorial. This sort of style can be used for weddings or Eid, any sort of occasions where you'd like to dress up a bit while wearing the niqab. I see a lot of women prefer to cover up during events like this, so I just thought I'd throw some ideas out there for anybody who may be interested. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I have a headpiece, and it's just one like this, which I'm going to pop on now. So I've secured it with 3 safety pins, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a larger headscarf. Now it could be any colour, just depending on what colour outfit you've got. Now I'm going to choose purple. So what I'm going to just pop it on my head and pin it into place. So just pop it on your head like that, and what I'm going to do is take some straight pins, to secure it. Pop on that side, and you just pull tight. When you pop it on, it's just, yeah, so as you can see, there's a bit of ripples at the top. I'm going to just pull it down and place another pin on this side. Now, I did not to mention, there's one short side and a long side. Now what you need to do is take the long side and just take it and bring it over, just to give more coverage in the front. Something like this, and again you can pop 2 pins on either side just to help secure it down so you're not going to have it falling off. That's that. Now, I mean, as you can see, there's also some white embroidery on this scarf, so you could wear a white niqab. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have worn a black one, but obviously you are free to choose whatever colour you want. With the under niqab, what I used was a shawl, and I've literally just pinned it into place to create the niqab look. So you don't really need to be going out to buy a separate coloured niqab, because it can be quite difficult to find. You could just use a normal hijab and then style it as a niqab. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. I will be making more soon, inshallah. So if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you again soon. JazakAllah. Assalamu alaikum.